Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can integrate our storage system from the inventory series into a car like that. And the second thing is how you split items in your inventory. So let's go. It's actually pretty easy to integrate the storage system in our car. So since we have the storage class, we just do right click, create child blueprint class. Let's call this car storage. Open this up. And the good part is we didn't need any static meshes. We just have to set the storage that we want. So let's say it has 6 elements and we call this car storage. And that's basically it. So we just have to integrate this. So let's go to our car here, our car parent class, and we just say child actor. And the child actor is just the car storage that we created. Compile and save this. So we have our car here. Let's open this up. This is a child class. Go out. There's the child actor. Let's place this in the back here that we say, here's our storage system like that. And when we hit play, we can go to the car here, open this up, and there are 6 slots for the car storage. And you can integrate this in every car that you want. You can integrate this in whatever you want. Great. Let's switch to our classic inventory level here and open up our inventory. So we need a new function here. So let's create one and call this split item. The split item function gets 2 parameters. The first one is an index as an integer, and the second one is an array. This is just an item class array. So an item structure array. First of all, we go from the array and say for each loop with break, like that. Then we go from the array element and say break item. We need a branch to ask. Take our valid status into the condition and connect it. Then we go from the array, say get a copy, connect the index here, right click, split structure pin so that we have the actual item that we want to split. We say right click division. The amount goes inside here. This of course will be 2. Then we say truncate. We say integer plus integer. The return value goes inside here. Then we go from the array and say set array element. The false case goes inside here. We say right click, split structure pin, copy and paste this back here. Of course, we have to connect the array back here as well. The array index goes inside here, and the index from the input goes back here. Then the return value of this plus value goes into the amount back here. So this will be the element after the split, and this will be the new element. So we go from the return value from the division into the amount here in the front. And then we just have to connect all these variables, of course. So I skipped the process, so this will be our split item function. Let's go to the set arrays function because we have to make adjustments here. The set arrays function gets a new input. This will be called split. In this case, we need a branch to ask like that. The false case goes into the normal way, so the move item part here. And up here, we need another branch on the true case. And we go from the select array storage up here. Then we call our split item function 2 times. This will be true, this will be false. And we need the update inventory as well, like that. The inventory goes down here as well, like that. The storage goes up here for the array, as well to the update inventory. The grid is down here. the storage grid is up here, like that. This will be our select item index like that. So of course we ask, did we split the item? If yes, we check, do we want to split an item in our inventory or in the storage? If we want to split it in the storage, of course we get the storage and the storage grid. And if you want to split an item in our inventory, we call our inventory array and the normal grid. Let's go back to our split item function. We need one more thing. From the end, we go back to the break. Very important. So now we need an actually input event to call the function. For this, let's go to our item slot here on the on mouse button down. So currently we have our use item function and the drag and drop functionality. Let's uncheck this one and need a branch for the next part. This goes into the false case and we say is shift down. Connect the mouse event here like that. The return value is of course the condition. So is the right mouse button down and we hold shift, then we want to split the item. For this, let's say get player character, then we cast to our third person character on a true case, get the widget. From the widget we say set select item index, connected here. This is of course the index like that. Again from the widget we say set storage, so set a selected array storage like this, and of course connect the storage boolean here. And the last part is from the widget we say set arrays and check the split of course to true. And that's it. Compile and save this. Let's see if this works. We hit play, pick up this book here, we hold shift, right click and we split the item. And the good part is even when we put this into, let's say 3, it will also work. So let's see, pick it up, we have 3, shift, right click and it's still working. And you can split even more and reconnect it of course. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know and yeah, goodbye.